I love it when people believe that getting married young will last until old age, and that they will never be alone or unhappy. The divorce rate in the United States is around 55%, and feminist movement and gender confusion are on the rise. Middle-aged men are leaving their wives and trading up for a younger model as a new generation of women never or never again marry. Men who feared divorce would leave them impoverished and without access to their children chose to remain bachelors for life, spawning MGTOW or MGTOW. This increased homosexuality or transsexuality and generation of men and women who want to marry but are unable to do so. Due to social anxiety, people are unable to connect with the opposite sex or ask anyone out. Men who do not make enough money to provide financial security for a woman, as well as a generation of aging people who are still married in their 60s, are lonely and isolated. Given all of these variables, it's amazing that many people still believe that marrying young will ensure happiness, fulfillment, and a bond with their spouse until old age. Being single does not make life any less fulfilling. There are several things you can do to avoid feeling alone. The list is extensive and is only limited by a person's health. Marriage isn't perfect, and being single isn't either. Love is a unique emotion. Oxytocin, dopamine, and serotonin are occasionally beneficial. There are many single baby boomers in their late 50s, and there will be more. Never marry a divorcee. Stop expecting a partner to make you happy or make you feel less lonely in old age. Start doing things for yourself because no life is complete without a marriage. Some elderly people experience sadness when they suddenly find themselves alone after relying on others to make them happy for decades. Rather than finding fulfillment in jobs, activities, classes, spiritual development, and socializing. When a partner dies or abandons them, they become emotionally disoriented, unsure of what to do, where to go, or how to find happiness. Concerns about old age and health persist. That is sometimes a valid reason to hide, but not always. Physically inactive older adults have more health issues. This magnificent existence is full of surprises. So, from within, be a kind person. Nurture optimism. Give your all to everything you do, including relationships, and never let anything detract from your happiness. Take advantage of your romance while it lasts. Move on, wish the spouse well. For a variety of reasons, married people with children must live alone as they age. People who are married, childless, or have a joint family face ridicule and pressure as they grow older and more self-sufficient. Many more categories could be listed, but no one knows how life will unfold as you get older. So don't worry or become tense. Accept any status with the assurance that you will do your best and hope for the best.